Every time you use an ATM, you are making someone else rich while paying that $3 surcharge and walking away frustrated. The person who owns that machine just made money off you in 30 seconds. Here's the crazy part. Most people think only banks can own ATMs. That's exactly what rich people want you to believe. There's a hidden opportunity that's right in front of everyone. Regular people can own these cash generating machines. It's not just for banks, and you could own an ATM machine too. I remember 25 years ago, I walked into a bar and discovered an ATM in the bar. I asked the owner why did he have an ATM in his bar, and I asked him, I thought banks were the only one that could place ATMs. He told me that the bank didn't put the ATM in his location. It was an individual that had an ATM business. His customers were mainly 20-somethings and didn't carry a lot of cash. He said he put it in because when they ran out of cash, they would go down to the gas station and get cash. Sometimes they would leave and come back, sometimes they didn't come back. I asked if the location owner made anything from the commission. He said no, he was just happy to have the ATM in the bar. The guy makes all the money. I thought to myself, this is too good to be true. People will pay a convenience fee to get their own money and no commission to the owner, and the owner is just happy to have the ATM. I don't have to be a bank to get into ATM business. How do I do this? I want to be in this business. This was a total transformation from being a person paying these fees to being a person collecting them. What a mental shift from being a consumer mindset to having an owner mindset. This totally opened my eyes to new opportunities that I walk past every single day. There's a fundamental difference between the way non-rich people think about money, making opportunities, and rich people look for ways to create systems that generate money, while others just participate as consumers in the same system. This principle applies everywhere. Rich people own rental properties while others pay rent. They own businesses while others work as employees, and own ATMs while others pay fees to these same opportunities. These opportunities are available to everyone, but most people don't realize that they can switch sides. Ownership thinking is so powerful. Instead of being the person who needs the service, you become a person providing it. Every transaction that used to cost you money now can make you money instead. Now you have multiple effect. While using the ATM costs you $3 once, owning an ATM earns you $3 every single transaction from the person who uses it. This creates massive differences in financial outcomes. Over time, one side pays fees forever, the other side collects them. I challenge you to stop thinking like consumers and start thinking like owners. Every time you walk past an ATM, think differently. Instead of seeing them as annoying fees, see them as income generating assets that you could own. If you're tired of always being on the paying side and want to learn how to switch to this collecting side, you should watch more of our videos on our channel to understand how regular people just like you stop paying fees and start earning money from every transaction, just like rich people do. Starting and building your own ATM income stream, enroll in my ATM A to Z course and learn how to complete this ownership system. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Check the ATM Mastermind group page out for more exclusive content, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video. Thank you guys very much.